Folks, welcome to another edition of my video blog. Today we're going to touch briefly on some more issues with drug cases, specifically mandatory prison sentences on certain drug offenses. You have to be very careful if you've been charged with a drug offense, whether it be possession of drugs, furnishing a scheduled drug, or under the worst case scenario, trafficking or aggravated trafficking in scheduled drugs. Now, possession of a single pill of oxycodone or Vicodin could just be, in and of itself, a felony offense. Just to have in your possession one 5 milligram concentration of hydrocodone pill. So these are very serious cases. When you've got lots of pills, or you have lots of cocaine, or lots of marijuana, or lots of crack cocaine, or heroin, or whatever the drug of choice may be, you are more likely looking at a trafficking offense. The danger here is if you begin to accumulate a history of drug offenses and under the worst case scenario or ever charged in the future by the federal government with a drug crime, you could look at falling into the career offender guidelines. Now, a person would be a career offender in the federal system if they have 2 or more prior felony convictions for a crime of violence and or a drug trafficking crime, a drug felony crime. So therefore, if you have an assault case in your background, say an aggravated assault or a robbery, and you have a drug trafficking conviction in your background, and then you are picked up by the feds on a small amount of heroin or cocaine or whatever it may be, you are going to fall into the career offender guideline. And what that guideline says is you are maxed out from 360 months or 30 years to life. So you've got to really avoid these convictions at all costs at the state level, because if it ever goes to the federal level, you are in a much more severe and serious place than you would be on the state level. If you've been charged with a drug crime of any nature, you should immediately pick up the phone, refuse to answer any questions of law enforcement, and call my office. We would need to sit down and speak about your case as soon as possible. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.